If you are wondering if Quick Share on Xiaomi 17 works with AirDrop on iPhone, then let's test that theory. So in order to try to transfer files using Quick Share and AirDrop on iPhone, first we need to go ahead and adjust the AirDrop. So we need to make sure that it is set to everyone for 10 minutes. Also, we need to use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It has to be enabled. And of course, ideally, we want to use the same Wi-Fi network, I believe. Although I'm not sure if that's really necessary, but still, it must be enabled. Now, once we set the AirDrop to everyone, now I'm gonna try to send a file. So over here, I have prepared a picture. I'm gonna use the Quick Share, and now let's go to nearby devices over here. And in theory, we should be able to detect iPhone over here on this list. But as you can see, it seems that it is actually not possible, at least not yet. It is not possible to use Quick Share and transfer files and connect with the AirDrop on iPhone. Of course, in the future, there might be an option to do so, even on Xiaomi 17. But right now, as you can see, unfortunately, the iPhone is not detectable over here. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.